How to use Grok AI on iPhone and Android. This tutorial shows you how to download the app and get started with it. First, open the App Store on iPhone or the Play Store on Android. Search for Grok and download the app developed by XAI. After that, open the app and sign in with your XAI account, or use your Google account or email to create one. Once you're signed in, you'll land on the main chat screen with a text field at the bottom that says Ask Anything. From here, type in whatever you want to ask and tap the send button. Grok will reply in just a few seconds. At this point, if you want to upload a photo or file, tap the plus icon on the left side of the text bar to attach it. This is useful for analyzing images or asking questions about a document. Following this, if you'd rather speak than type, tap the microphone icon and the text bar to use voice mode. Grok will listen to your question and respond out loud. After that, if you need Grok to do deeper research on a topic, look for the deep search option in the text bar. Enabling this lets Grok pull in real-time information from the web before giving you an answer. From there, if you want Grok to think through a problem more carefully before responding, tap Think Mode from the same area. This is helpful for complex questions or anything that involves multiple steps. Finally, to start a fresh conversation at any time, tap the new chat icon at the top of the screen, and your previous chat will be saved in your history so you can always go back to it. Keep in mind that some features like deep search, think mode, and image generation are limited on the free tier. You can upgrade to Super Grok from the profile or settings section inside the app if you need more access. That's how you use Grok AI on iPhone and Android. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and hit the bell so you never miss an upload. See you in the next one.